Hey everyone, it's Russ here, and this is Logic for Newbies. Hey, so I wanted to do a basic intro regarding this channel and its purposes and why I'm doing it. This is for those who are using Logic Pro X as your DAW. I decided to do this video series because I do like to help others. And on my journey, as I'm relatively new with Logic myself, just about a year into it, but I've been deep diving. I've had a lot of time to get into it. There's still a lot more that I'm learning. But the videos that I have watched from people that are really good teachers is that I think because they've been using Logic for so long that at times they think they're simplifying things, and still I found it very confusing at times. Part of the reason is I'm new to using a Mac. I've always used PC. So after a time, I was watching these videos and they'd be like, okay, so what you do is you just go and you right click, and then this menu will come up. And I was like trying to click my right click, and I was like, well, this stuff's not coming up. What the heck? So then I just had to go up to the menus. What I didn't realize is that I needed to set it in my preferences to make my right click function to make my life easier. So some things are as easy as you're just like, I think a DAW in itself can be just so confusing and overwhelming, and you're looking at the screen and you're just like, oh, okay, what the heck? And then, you'll watch a making of video where Ryan Tedder will show you his workflow, and he's just like dashing all over the place using like words like quantize, and you're just like, quantize? What's quantize? So what I'm hoping to do is that I'm still new and I decided to do it now and not just learn everything and be the pro at everything, is to show you what I know, put it in simple terms. I still have it fresh in my memory of things that have been frustrating and took me a long way. Like, I know when you get a new toy, you just want to play. That's what I want to help you do, is just to play in your DAW and not make it so tough. Yeah, I've watched hour-long videos trying to get a simple answer for something, and I'm hoping that I can simplify the video, simplify the communication, give you the information, and hopefully help you. So join me on this journey. Subscribe, all those good things. Comment. If you have videos that you want to see something about, let me know. I'll do my best. If I don't know it, I'll put you to a video that has that information that I know of, or find the help. Let's work together as we're newbies in Logic. Let's go.